Today's lesson, how to draw 5 different shaped faces. Hey, it's John-Marc and welcome to my series on teaching you how to draw cartoons. And today we're going to be learning 5 different shapes to make a different cartoon character out of it. So today what I want to really do is simplify the idea when creating a cartoon, what you really think, and create a new character. The basic shape, as you may know, is a basic circle, okay, and I put the eyes in there. I have my crosshair, and I'm going to add some eyebrows on top there, and a little nose, and a mouth, and 2 ears, and that's the basic shape that a lot of times when we begin a cartoon, how to look at it. What I want to take is make it to teach you the next step. Take a different shape altogether and try to put that face in there. All right, so this is the simple one, as you can see, and I'm going to put like a little neck down there and a little collar on him as well. So what I really want you to practice with is these are just simple sketches and that you can create any shape you want to. All right, this one's just about done. So let's get to the next one now. Okay, let's see. What type of shape do you envision now? Let's see. Here we go. All right, square top. Okay, pretty straight sides and kind of like a little straight bottom there. Even though this is not a typical head, it could be easily created into a cartoon character with a big head with hair or even an animal. You can still use this as a basic shape when working on an alien or a bear, should I say, and that's just the first structure, and you can add the elements on top. So what I have here right now is one eyeball and another one. Just making it very simple for you to follow. There it is with the nose, and I'm just going to play with a little of the expression and a mouth and color it in there with his teeth, like really smiling with his teeth all together. There you go. And let's put some eyebrows and some ears in there too. And that'll be another lesson I'll share and go over with you. I'll have different shaped ears, nose that you can add to these different shaped heads. All right. There we go. Finish up that one. Now let's get on to the next one. So what type of shape do you see now? All right, so I'm building another circle. Very similar to like the first one, but wait. Okay, I'm building like an oval almost. Like basically a little bigger neck and bigger cheeks. Same thing, I got my crosshair in there and working on the eyes. As you can see, what I'm really creating is the same angle each time, just to not to change anything with you so you can see. And I just changed the nose a little bit there, a little bit bigger and bigger smile there. All right, the little bottom lip there. Get an eyebrow on the top. There we go, both sides, and then an ear. Now this ear I did in front of his cheek. You could have done it in front or behind the cheek, like he's really heavy set. Now the other two, I had necks. This guy has no neck, so this would be more like his shoulders or his chest that you would see. All right, got that one done. All right, so what's the next shape do you think we're going to find? All right, so let's do this again. Okay, here we go with a circle. All right, and we got the line again. There's a line. Equal with a curve on the bottom. Okay, how do you think this one's going to look? There's a cross there that's big. That could be his bottom jaw. Let's make one eye a little bigger than the other one, kind of like shocked right now. The eyebrow low and this one really high up. There we go. And let's get the nose pretty big. You're just playing around with that, just being fun. All right, and how are you going to make his face now? Like, oh, he's shocked. His mouth is just open just a little bit. That's it. It's a simple shape, and that character easily can have any type of face on there too. That one's a character that I like, actually, that shape. I made the ears actually smaller, and I didn't add the shapes in there. Again, this one has no neck, and it's just basically the shape of the shoulders that you're going to see. All right, so what do you think the last one's going to be now? Let's see. What can we do? An oval, a big round oval. Let's see what we can do with that. The crosshair all the way through. Aiming down then. Oh, let's make him angry, mad. Hey, this could be like an alien character. Or it could be a pterodactyl's head. Whatever you want. And then I'm just going to put the eyes there right at the center there, like it's really loud, mean. Okay, a little pointy nose there. and then a frown. There you go. Let's make a little pointy ears on him. He could be like that alien. All right, that's looking good. I like that. And just give a skinny little neck for him there. Oh, that's really good. And just a little collar. As you can see here, because of the shape of the face that I use, I actually see the neck and the collar and there. So these are just simple sketches of 5 different shapes that you can make characters out of. So I hope you have fun with this one. Enjoy that one. Now, watch all of them in the very end again. There's the first one. All right, basic round shape. Very standard. A lot of times when we start, okay, here's a guy with a flat head. Different, nice. He could have a plant on top of his head. Kind of fun. Okay, this one has a big cheek. A little heavy set guy. All right, and this guy here, maybe like a bell head, in a sense like that. Bald guy, and maybe with a beard, you could have a beard. And our last one, the alien. I hope you enjoy this video, and have a great day.